This is to shout out to all the parents. Hope you're surviving the summer holidays so far. I'm at Allstars Bowling because at the minute they've got this fantastic offer on for £25 for 2 hours for up to 12 children to be in the karaoke room. Not only is it 2 hours of singing fun, you get unlimited squash as well. Bargain. This is fantastic. I've just chucked mine in there. 2 hours. I'm going to be sat here, so the karaoke room's there, and I am literally just sat here for chilling. 2 hours. It's like 2 hours of 2 hours of childcare. I'm going to put my headphones on, watch some YouTube, and just chill out and relax. 2 hours of child free time for 25 quid for up to 12 kids. It's fantastic. It's such a good deal. That's why I've got to tell you about it.